Yeah, everybody know what it is, no?
Coco.
Coco, yes. Everybody say in Spanish, cacao? Yeah, cacao, we call it cacao. Then later we show you. Coco, right here. You got the coco, you see, right there. Yeah. Then coco grow in the trunk, grow in the trunk. Different color, grow in the trunk. Yellow, normally you pick them up. Green, red, brown, yellow. Yellow, you pick them up. Inside, we have a lot of beans. You dry those beans 2-3 days a week. After this, you roast and you grind it. It's the way you make 100% organic chocolate. Hershey chocolate, 30% the cocoa they buy around the world, they buy in Dominican Republic. 10% mountain here. Then you have to know that. Okay, guys, then you do the same with the cocoa bean. Cocoa beans, you dry 2-3 days a week, like the coffee bean, but the different cocoa bean, only you dry 2-3 days a week. After this, you roast and you grind it. It's the way you make 100% organic chocolate. Then you shake it too, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. I like it, I like it. Okay. Now it's time to show you chocolate here, guys. You dry 2-3 days a week, cocoa bean. After that, you grind it here. Then you have to know, guys, the chocolate in here, guys, is not eatable. Because you have to know chocolate like that concentrate 70% oil. If you eat it like that, it's very bitter. Second, you go fast to the toilet. Yeah. Then smell it, pass around, smell it, pass around. Yeah, smell it, yeah, pass around. Yeah, please, pass around. Yeah. Then guys. Yeah. Thank you. Everybody, look at this, everybody. After they grind it, chocolate concentrate 70% oil. They make balls like this one. You let it dry the ball. A few hours later, it's like a rock. Why they do that? Because it's more easy to grate. Then everybody, look at the lady here. Yeah, it's more easy to do this. Then now you can try a little bit the chocolate, but cheer up a little bit brown sugar and cinnamon. It's the way you can eat this chocolate. Then everybody, pay attention. Look at that. We have a little bit cinnamon. And now brown sugar. Don't forget, guys, brown sugar is more safe than white sugar. Don't forget white sugar, chemical. Yeah, I say a little bit. Okay. Okay. Dominican a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then don't forget, I'm the leader, quality control. Yeah. I don't want my people die. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Quality control. Yeah. Don't die. Go ahead. Yeah. Hey, everybody try. 100% dark chocolate with sugar and cinnamon. Chocolate here, brown chocolate, chocolate ball. This is 100% organic chocolate. And you know the process. Then they offer here normally, if you want to get it, it's for $10 each. $10 each. Now it's time to drink hot chocolate. Hot chocolate with milk, sugar, cinnamon, a little bit vanilla in the hot chocolate. Then, yeah, quality control. Yeah. I don't want my people to die. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. You don't die, guys. You try.
Thank you.
Okay. Sugar, cinnamon, a little bit vanilla in the hot chocolate. Cocoa, Cacao. Okay, guys, let me show you cocoa bean inside. Yeah. You see? Inside? Yeah, go ahead.
Inside on Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook, YouTube, Hi-Fi, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. Yeah, okay. Oh no, this is for YouTube. This is cocoa beans. With this, you can make chocolate. Yeah. Okay. What is white inside? Then you dry 2-3 days a week, turn the real color brown. You roast and you grind it. It's the way you make 100% organic chocolate here. The cocoa bean concentrate, 70% oil. You can't eat it like that. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No. Mm-mm. 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 Take one. Yeah.
I want one.
Yeah. Just suck on it. Don't bite. Don't eat it.
So slippery.
Yeah. Okay. Abre ese, por favor, y sigue allí.
I get one.
Can you
Can I
work?
get one?
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Trabaja, trabaja. Yeah. Open it.
Against
Open
the
it.
thingy.
Right here. Right here. No, right there. Just suck on it. Don't bite. Don't eat it. Tastes like mango. Take one bean. Take one bean.
Just like a sitapa.
This is aphrodisiac. You see? Eh? Another reason is